Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Millionaire. Today I'm going to talk about Polkadot, the token, the tokenomics, exactly why I believe it's a fantastic investment at current prices, and the long term price prediction of Polkadot and where I believe it can get to. If you like this video, guys, please hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon. To all the existing subscribers, I really appreciate your support. Please leave comments. Comments help for me to produce better content for you guys, and talk about whichever token that you want me to talk about. I don't mind shedding some light on those projects as well. But this particular project is one that you would like, and I believe that for sure you should get into. So without further ado, guys, I'd like to get right into it. Polkadot is currently ranked at number 9 in coin market cap. It goes by the ticker DOT, and it's on 548,000 people's watch list on coinmarketcap.com. It's trading at $24.01. It's down 1.15 cent. So 1.15% today, within the last 24 hours. Polkadot chart, as you can see, it has done very well since the market crash, which was literally last March 2020. It has gone all the way from $4, $4 from $3.98, from $2.78, sorry, from August 2020, and it's gone all the way up to nearly $50 in this market cycle, which is its peak. And I will show you that on the bottom here. So the current price, as mentioned already, you can see 23.98, 2306 was a 24-hour high, and 2446 was 24-hour high. 2306 24-hour low. Trading volume over 1.3 billion right now, and the market cap is just hitting 23 billion, nearly about 22 billion, which is a really undervalued asset right now for Polkadot and the project. In terms of the all-time low, as I mentioned already, it was $2.69, and all-time high just below $50. The circulation supply is literally just under a billion, 945 million, and total supply is just above, just basically 1 billion and a little bit above it. In terms of the project, what they're doing, I'd like to go into that in a bit more detail on the below. So you guys get a bit of an overview. What is Polkadot? Polkadot is an open source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just token, thereby making a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. The interoperability seeks to establish a full decentralized and private web, controlled by its users, and simplify the creation of new applications, institutions, and services. Polkadot protocol connects public and private chains, permissionless network, oracles, and future technologies, allowing these independent blockchains to trustlessly share information and transactions through a Polkadot relay chain. Explained further down, Polkadot is a native DOT token, serves three clear purposes: providing network governance, operation, and creating parachains by bonding. Polkadot has 4 core components: relay chain, Polkadot heart, it's the heart basically, helping to create consensus, interoperability, and shared security across the network of different chains. Parachains, independent chains that can have their own tokens and be optimized for specific use cases. And Power Thread, similar to the parachain, but the flexible connectivity based on an economical pay-as-you-go model. Bridges allow parachains and power threads to connect and communicate with external blockchains like Ethereum. So Polkadot can also communicate to Ethereum, as you can see. Who are the founders? Very famous people. Polkadot was founded by Web3 Foundation, as Swiss Foundation founded to facilitate a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web as an open source project. Dr. Gavin Wood, you all know about him, alongside Charles Hoskinson, obviously, and Vitalik Buterin, founders of Ethereum. So, and there's a lot more to read about here, but I'll just go to the website now, and you guys can read that in your spare time. And because this video is about price prediction, right? So let's go to the website. I'm just gonna get that landscape for you. Here, there you go. So the Polkadot website is the home page. Got a few open here for you. Here we are. The Polkadot is live. Yeah, we pretty well know that. Polkadot development is on track to deliver the most robust platform for security, scalability, and innovation. And I think these are the three parts that you should really kind of summarize Polkadot. It's security, it's really secure. Scalability is built for scalability, and innovation is exactly what they do. Polkadot is literally revolutionizing DeFi. It is the DeFi platform basically built to make that sector. That's why I believe Polkadot will be really powerful. Economic transaction scalability. Polkadot provides unprecedented economic scalability by enabling a common set of validates to secure multiple blockchains. Polkadot provides transactional scalability by spreading transactions across multiple parallel blockchains. So, that fact that you can cross cross-use Polkadot, and the cross functionalities, which is really interesting, and obviously the whole scalability side of thing, which is really cool. There's so much to read, but let me just go into the roadmap so you guys can see exactly what they're doing. Polkadot is rolling out the most robust platform for security, scalability, and innovation. We've already read that, having launched the Genesis block of its relay chain in May 2020. So they've launched that part, and Polkadot is now on track to launch several power chains in 2021, and they have done a phenomenal job going from $2, and that's why the price, it talks for itself, and you can read a lot more. You can watch the video when you guys got a bit of spare time on your hands. They go through the whole roadmap and where they're currently at. So I also like to highlight to you this article, which was actually published around 3 months ago now. Dubai-based hedge fund plans to sell $750 million worth of Bitcoin for Cardano and Polkadot. So, Polkadot have got that sort of media attention. So, and it's got big people going after it. So, that's kind of you got to move where the money's going, guys. Okay, so end of the day, it's a bit of a no-brainer. If they're gonna sell, if they already have, we're not 100% sure, but if they did sell the Bitcoin for Polkadot, and this article is really interesting, I would leave it on my video so you guys can read it in your spare time. But I'll just briefly go through it. A Dubai-based global crypto investment fund, FD7 Ventures, with about $1 billion under management, recently revealed plans selling about $750 million worth of their Bitcoin holdings over the next month to increase the company's position in Polkadot. So they're already in Polkadot and Cardano, but they want to obviously sell more to get more into it. Polkadot native dot token serves two clear purposes, so it goes into detail about Polkadot, which you guys can read, and they obviously have a price prediction which they believe that it will give their investors better value than Bitcoin with investing in Polkadot and Cardano. So without further ado, let's talk about the price predictions, which you guys have all been waiting for, right? So in terms of Polkadot, where I believe it can get to in this market cycle. Obviously, everything has had a major hit, and there has been a correction in the market in itself. So, Polkadot was trading at $50, pretty much so. It has taken a major. It's half price now at its current price. You guys can see that quite clearly, where it's trading at right now. And end of the day, I if the market recovers, Polkadot can quite easily go to, I think, all-time high of around $70 to $100 this cycle, and within the next cycle, I'm going to be bold, guys, and I'm going to put Polkadot at $500. Literally $500, yeah. So you can imagine, if you guys buy $10,000 worth of Polkadot today, you would be very profitable in the next 5 years. Okay, and I'm very confident in that. And this isn't financial advice. Obviously, guys, do your own due diligence. Invest at your own risk, and you understand that crypto is a very highly speculative market, but at the same time, where it's high risk, high reward. Okay. Now, not everyone's got $10,000, but if you put $1,000 in, and you do dollar cost averaging, because this is a currently half price, sale right now at 23.78, from its all-time high. And if you do put a bag in now, even just say even $1,000 worth now, and if it was to go more down, if it was to go to $10, $15, who knows? It did actually hit $16 when the market dipped in a brief crash within the last couple of weeks. That was a steal. That was a steal at 16, $17. That was a that was a great dip to buy in. But if you haven't done so, buy some now, and if it goes lower, buy some more. And if it really hits rock bottom, really buy some. I strongly advise. But yeah, that's for my subscribers. That's the latest video on Polkadot, why I believe it's a great investment. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. It's a brief overview. Obviously, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification icon. Without further ado, we would catch up on the next video. Bye bye.